Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing great. We all know that the Institute has announced the new syllabus, and it is a welcome change. The new syllabus is a perfect blend of conceptual and practical knowledge. And the best part about the new syllabus is your 30 marks MCQs for all the subjects. This could be a game changer. Definitely, the students who are going to be conceptually strong are going to gain a lot out of this move. So today I'll be telling you basically about the two intermediate subjects that I would be taking. I would be taking advanced accounts and costing. I am CA Neha Lathi Mittal and I will briefly introduce myself to you. I have come third and fifth all over India in my CA P2 and CA final exams. I have come first in Pune in both these exams. After doing my CA, I have also done my CISA, my DISA. I have cleared all the three levels of CFA US exam. I've also done my DIP IFRS UK. I've been a merit ranker throughout in my BCom, MCom board exams. Well, apart from this, I have been teaching for last 15 years and I've guided more than 30,000 students. I've mentored a lot of merit rankers also. My philosophy in teaching is very simple. You have to focus on the concepts, and whatever concepts are there, simplify to such an extent that every single student understands them. So that's exactly how I teach. Now, coming back to the new syllabus, what I have in store for you. Basically, when I talk about the teaching strategy is a blend of two things. One, out of again 15 years experience, I have believed that there are some five things which will never change in teaching. This strategy of mine is a time tested strategy and I call it old is gold. There are 5 points here which I have, which I call A, B, C, D, E. So, what are these 5 points? These 5 points are something which we have always been doing and we are going to continue doing the same. So, in old is gold, my first A point stands for the approach to studying. How are we going to approach our teaching or how are we going to approach our learning experience? So, basically, when I talk about approach, I'm talking about two things here. The entire teaching and your learning is going to be based on two principles which I really stand by. I believe in these. The first one is there is no substitute for hard work, no shortcut to success. If you want to be successful, you have to work hard. Yes, you have tips and tricks to work smarter, but hard work is here and always remain in fashion. So basically, that's my first thing. So the hard work will be showing in the notes that we have gained. Hard work I need from you also when you'll be doing the lectures, you'll be understanding the things. So it is going to be a very important step towards your success. The second thing which I believe in is exceed your potential. This is also the tagline of our Ujwal Academy. Exceed your potential means what? See, everybody, all the types of students are there. We have got average students, we have got above average, we have got even very intelligent students. Everybody has got a potential, and the thing is that we at Ujwal Academy, basically, I believe that we need to unleash your potential, not just unleash it. You will get the best of your potential and you will exceed it. You will become better than what you are for sure. For that, I am there with you. So I will try to make you, if you are aiming for an exemption, I'll try to take you till 80. If you're aiming for 80, 90, I will try to take you to 100. That's exactly what I'm here for. So that is going to be our approach. These two principles which I believe in. The second B which I talk about is the books. Obviously the books, the notes which are there. Books and notes have to be updated. They have to be colorful. That's the need of the hour. They should be student friendly, updated with all the things, whether it's the institute material, whether it is our RTP, MTP, past exam questions, everything. And our notes are exactly that. Everything has been covered very nicely for you. Okay, so that's how it is. The C which I have, and I always stand by this again, is conceptual clarity. Syllabus will come, go, change, whatever happens, but conceptual clarity is here to stay. So that's exactly what we focus on, understanding the concepts. We try to understand how, why of the concepts. Because once you know the concept, no matter how much the institute goes round and round the concept, let them ask any type of question, we are prepared for it. Because of the conceptual clarity. And I don't believe in spoon feeding the solutions to you. I solve with you. I make you think. I make you understand. The thinking ability is the most important thing in CA exams. So that's what is our C point, conceptual clarity. The D point is going to be again a very important one, doubts clarification. Now what happens in online classes, many times students don't ask their doubts clearly. So that's what I always encourage. No matter small doubts, big doubts, whatever it is, we always try to solve all the doubts of the students. My current past students will definitely vouch for this. All the doubts we try to solve within 24 hours. Not only that, we solve the doubts. You can call, you can WhatsApp, you can email. I mean, it's all flexible. Even small doubts we don't ignore. We try to see that you solve each and every one of them. Okay, so that's our fourth point out of our oldest goal strategy. And the last one which I have, and I again believe, is exams and tests are very, very important to understand where you stand. And that's exactly why we have got a special book which I call the Master Stroke book, where we'll be having chapter wise tests. We'll have extra questions for self study. With solutions, it will be there. So, all that will be conducted. So, old is gold are the 5 main points which I have. But now, because the syllabus is new things are coming in. So, but of course, we need to have something extra also, right? So, the extra that we have is what I called as new in view. So, these are the new things we will be doing for y'all. So we will be having chapter wise revisions for your important practical subjects of accounts and costing. Not only that, when we are studying, we will be trying to see one day before the exam what all things need to be covered. That we will plan while doing the lectures itself. We'll be having marathons, we'll be having live sessions, and most importantly, what we have to do is we have to link this with the practical world. So there's this practical corner point which I have, wherein we will be seeing real life companies, balance sheets and financials, understanding real life case studies to get the subject even better. Not only that, it will help us to link it with the practical world. So that is what we have for the MCQs, because MCQs can make you or break you. Remember, it's a game changer. So we need lots of practice for MCQs. So how are we going to do that? So either we'll be having a book or we'll be having an app based on which you will be practicing your MCQs. Not only that, we are also planning a test series for which I'll be telling you later on. So these are the things which we have new in view. So definitely our two things, old is gold and our new in view, as you can see, is definitely enough for you to conquer these exams with like flying colors. And that's exactly what we are here for. Remember, we are geared completely for the new syllabus. In a very positive way we are going to be doing this. So that's about our teaching strategy. Now coming to our video lectures. What is special about the video lectures? So the video lectures are going to be available in 2 modes. One is pen drive mode, one is Google Drive mode. You will be able to see these lectures either on your laptop, desktop, or your mobile also. That is possible. We have used very simple user-friendly technology for the lectures. Okay, very good quality lectures. And the best part about the lectures, you're going to have 2 separate recordings. One is going to be 100% English and one is going to be Hindi-English mix. So 2 separate recordings would be there. And considering that we have given multiple options, you can either go for 1.3 views, 1.5, 1.8 views, or you can choose your validity also 9 months, 1 year, or even unlimited validity option we have kept this time. So that is how we'll be going about it. Definitely all the amendments and all the RTP related stuff which will be coming later on, we'll be putting it on YouTube. So definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. And when it comes to video lectures, if you're dedicated and sincere enough, it definitely helps you a long way because you save a lot of time. It's very convenient, and you can do it right at your in the comforts of your home, and most importantly, at your own time, at your own pace, you can understand the things. So I hope now everything is clear. You have understood how the new teaching strategy, how the things are going to be there. We'll be starting the recording in August itself, and by November end or by December mid, you should be done with all the lectures. You will be getting all of them. Only thing you'll be getting it in parts because it's the first time that we are recording, so you'll be coming in batches. But everything will be over up until then. I'll be making separate video for advanced accounts and costing, showing you the kind of books that we are having, the kind of questions we'll be covering. So that separate video will be coming very soon. So that's it for this video. And like I always say, be happy, keep smiling.